In this video, I will show you how to leverage the power of artificial intelligence to master your website analytics without ever leaving your browser. If you manage a WordPress site, you already know that digging through plugins or Google Analytics can be overwhelming and time-consuming. However, you can actually use Claude to handle the heavy lifting for you by using one specific, high-performance prompt. This process allows you to pull, analyze, and troubleshoot your traffic data in seconds, giving you clear insights that used to take hours to compile manually. To get started, you will need to open Claude and have your WordPress dashboard ready for reference. The magic happens when you use a comprehensive prompt that tells the AI exactly what to look for. You should paste the following command into the chat interface. Access my WordPress site data and analyze the traffic analytics for the post titled, then insert your exact article title, over the last 30 days. Identify the top traffic referral sources, pinpoint any sudden drops in page views, and provide a 3-bullet action plan directly in this chat to improve the page's bounce rate based on your findings. Once you hit enter, Claude begins to synthesize the performance metrics of your specific post. It will break down exactly where your visitors are coming from, whether it is organic search, social media, or direct links. Even better, it acts as a diagnostic tool by isolating specific dates where your traffic might have dipped, helping you correlate those drops with technical issues or content updates. Instead of just giving you raw numbers, the AI provides a tailored strategy to keep readers on your page longer. This streamlined approach ensures you spend less time staring at charts and more time growing your audience. Thank you for watching this guide on optimizing your WordPress site with AI.